you've got the swans, you've got gulls, you've got the cormorant. During the summer, we get terns and sand martins. So the island that they put in this year is, that's what the terns enjoy sitting on. They've had 3 breeding pairs of terns come in this year. The sand martins, the bank behind the boxes was actually a sandbank, and they're encouraging the sand martins to actually nest in there. But they had heavy rain one year and it's washed the sandbank down, so they put in these boxes which create an artificial environment for them. So they've had several breeding pairs come in and actually breed successfully within the boxes, but they tend to come in during the summer and then they move out during the winter, where they migrate back to Africa. Up on the board down the end, they've got more information, some good pictures of some of the birds. But down here, you've got, like off your sheet, you've got coots here, which have a white beak. The whole body's black, it has a white beak, very similar to a moorhen. A moorhen has a reddy orangey beak. And you can tell the difference between the feet as well. On one side you've got sort of river and field birds, and on the other side you've got wetland birds. So these are all the ones that you've seen in a field. So we had a kestrel